Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing video for you today. Before I get started, quick reminder, go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. Okay, we are back once again with another collection. Woohoo! So we're really rocking and rolling this time around. We're trying our absolute best to be able to bring you guys new collections every month, as best as we possibly can with all the supply chain issues that have been going on. So we're very excited to present May's collection. So I will just go ahead and get started opening this guy up so we can take a look and see what's inside. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Natural opals. And here we have the collection. And let's just take all this stuff out. I'm going to remove this tissue paper. So we have this beautiful image. I'm going to put that aside right here. And then we have our beautiful little evocative paragraph. I'm not going to read it, but you can see we're talking about opals and flashing colors and Pacific green, sky blue, violet, pearly white, reflective crystals, and metallics. So very exciting to dig into these color palette. So we have our list. The Ethereal Opal Collection. And here we go. Everything is got the SKUs right here, and you can find out which items that you got. So I'm going to go through this one at a time, and we're going to take a look up close at these beautiful items in the collection. All right, let's open this baby up. Ooh, they're running away from me. Okay. So we have a whole lot of stuff here to go through. I'm going to step away from the camera for a second and organize all of this stuff so we can go through it one at a time, starting with our lovely seed beads. All right, to kick things off here, we've got our selection of seed bead tubes. Look at these pretty, pretty colors. So let's start with our beautiful triangle 11O seed beads. And these are just this lovely green color that really flashes with an AB coating and this inner glow. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my God. It's really picking up on a lot of the greens that you can see in the opals in the inspiration image. Next, we have Toho 11O rounds in this beautiful, very pale, golden, silky kind of color here. And I'll show you these up close as well. Might as well, right? Super pretty. Very versatile. This is a color that you can use basically anywhere. Moving right along, we have some demi beads. So these are 8O, and you can imagine demi beads are kind of like donut shaped. They're squished rounds, so they're half the size. And we have these in this gorgeous, gorgeous purple. It looks like the purple is the lining on the inside of a transparent bead. So you get this very interesting effect. And I believe this is like neon purple. So again, bringing out really pretty shades here with these colors. And another shape. Next, we have another beautiful and unique shape in another really dazzling, strong color. Look at this. This is a Magatama, and again, we're going with this like real neon pop here, and it's just like really pulling out some of the colors in this palette, and I just love it. So this color is got an inside lining, and it's kind of a yellow lining with the color of the glass being an aqua color. It makes the yellow really look green and so juicy and bright. And finally, where would we be without some Delicas in our collection? And we got these beautiful, stunning pale gold Delicas for you to enjoy. So the previous tubes were all Toho, and as you can see, our Toho tubes are filled to the brim. They're sold by the tube, and our Miyukis, which Delica is one, are sold by weight. So the tube will not be full, as you can see here. Makes it easier for us to use just about any tube lying around, and you'll always get the same amount by weight. So we're gonna stick that over here with its friends. And we're moving right along to our Czech beads. Our first Czech shape is these beautiful honeycomb beads. As you can see, they are shaped like honeycombs. They're 2-hole, flat on both sides, and they make for such a unique shape that you can make some really interesting designs with. So many ideas out there, and you'll be able to see Gina from Orchid and Opal, who, by the way, came up with this color palette. So this is her design, and her choices is going to make some really pretty projects that you can follow along with using a whole bunch of beads from this collection, if not all of them. So here we go. Next, we have some ginkgo beads, which are some of our most favorite shapes here at Eureka. And we've got this amazing finish. This is a beautiful matte blue, sky blue color that is just like, I'm pretty sure I've seen somewhere on our Facebook group that this reminds someone of Lucky Charm marshmallows. These colors in this finish that give it this beautiful matte brightness is just beautiful for spring and summer, and just delicious looking, right? Like you just want to chomp on them. Next, we have some mini duos, which if you're familiar with super duos, mini duos are the same thing but smaller. Look how cute. And we have this very pretty yellowy gold color, and that's going to really nice to bring out some of these brights in here, and very versatile. You can use this for a lot of projects. Next, we are going to have some pretty fire polishes. So I'm just going to pull both strands out at the same time. We have a 3mm, and we also have on the other side of the spectrum a 6mm. So here they are both. I just love this finish on the 6mm. You can really see that it is not opaque, it's like translucent. You can really see the color coming through of the glass. And then, of course, this one is our nice, very pretty metallic. Beautiful. And last but not least, we have our lonely strand of pinch beads in this very pretty white color, but they also have this AB finish you can see up close. And pinch beads are really unique and interesting. They are very simple, basically a kind of a bicone type shape, but they are very small and cute, and they're very great for making earrings or other kind of very dainty sort of projects. And you get a nice long strand in here. All right, so we are done with our Czech glass, but now we are on to some Czech crystal. So we made a special Preciosa mix for this collection, and it's of 3mm bicones. And since this is Ethereal Opal, we're calling the mix Ethereum. And I'm just going to show you right here this very pretty golden mix with some extra color pops in here with the AB finishes. And this mix is very reminiscent of one of our most popular mixes, which is Gold Coast. So that mix uses larger beads. So this one is a little more dainty and a similar color palette. And the Preciosa Bicones, which we've added so many to our site. You should really check it out. If you're in the market for some gorgeous, gorgeous crystals and bicones, and you need to build up your stash after the brand that shall not be named is dwindling, Preciosa is really going to be a good way to go. In addition to the 3mm bicone mix, we also have some 6mm Preciosa bicones. These are nice and big, and these have a beautiful opal color to them. These remind me of, if you've ever seen the images from Iceland, and there's this thing called the Blue Lagoon, and there is like a hot spring with water that's sort of this opaque, milky blue, and it's totally naturally occurring. And you're surrounded by black lava rock, and this is the color of the Blue Lagoon, like completely. It just is gorgeous. I'm just going to pop these guys right here. And last but not least, the last piece of our Czech glass selection, Czech glass and crystal, is going to be this beautiful cabochon. We just added more cabochons to our line. We used to have so many of these beautiful Luna Soft ones, but they don't make them anymore. So we've been adding more glass, and we're expecting more stone coming in soon. So here is a little bit of a sample of what you can expect with the glass ones, the flat back. And yeah, I really like this one. It's very pretty. It looks exactly like this this image right here. You can't even see a difference. I'm just gonna put it right here so you can actually see it. All right, we are now on to our Krakovsky crystal. So we are going to start with something that was just added to our selection from Krakovsky, which is pearls. So these are some beautiful Karkovsky crystal pearls in white, and they are absolutely stunning. They have a nice weight to them and a nice feel, and you can look real close and see the quality. Just lovely. So I'm going to put these over here so you can really see them against that backdrop. And then we're going to move on to our Karkovsky crystal stones. Okay, so here are the next 3 items on the list. We have beautiful Pacific opal color. We have ovals in this lovely, lovely opal, white opal color. And then we have this opal stone in a teardrop shape with a blue opal. I believe it's air blue opal. So again, these colors are just stunning. And these are the Karkovsky crystal that we have recently, well, not that recently, but more recently than not, added to the site. And we continue to grow that selection. So you will be able to see more and more options for colors, for finishes, and for shapes coming to you soon. So again, we just love the Karkovsky crystal. You can see the quality is amazing, and you are just going to love working with these beauties. Our next section is findings, and I'm just going to show you all of these at once. We have some Heishi spacer beads in gold. We have some ear wires. We have some really cute crystal charms. We have a couple of toggle and bar clasps, which is awesome. They come pre-connected, so you're just going to disconnect them with your tool, and then you can actually start using them for your bracelets. So that is awesome stuff to add to your stash. And finally, last but not least, we have a strand of Chinese rondelles. These are becoming super popular. They come in so many colors. I'm just going to take it out of the bag so you can see. And they're super sparkly. There's a lot of different finish options on these guys. And we are just always blown away by how sparkly they are and how many you get. That's a pretty long strand. So I'm going to just pop these over here. And that is it for the collection. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I really appreciate you guys sticking with me to see all of the cool stuff we've added. This gorgeous palette and collection was designed by Gina from Orchid and Opal. Previously, she did Orchid Oasis, and that collection is actually still available. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you do. And now she has come back with a totally different color palette with beautiful cool tones and some neon colors and effects here. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous opal color palette. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing what all you guys come up with when you get this collection and start making beautiful things. Bye!